In this video, I will show you how to buy Ton on Tonkeeper. For that, you need to launch your Tonkeeper app, and here on the homepage, you need to tap on the Buy and Sell option. Once done, it will show you this type of section in front of you, where the first setting that you need to do is simply change or choose your country. By default, it will take the country you are in, but if it doesn't, you just have to tap on the current country that you see. And from this list, you just have to select your country. After selecting it, it will show you the respective providers from whom you can buy the Ton coin. As you can see, there are a bunch of them, but if you want to get more, then tap on the Show All option. Now among these, you just have to select the particular provider you want to use. Let's say I want to use this first one, that is Mercurio, so I'm simply going to tap on it, and then I'm going to tap on Open. Once done, you will be landed on the official website of its provider, where you just have to enter the amount that you want to spend, and then it will show you how many Ton coins you are going to get. Now tap on the Buy option, and then it will ask you to select your payment method. You can select any of the payment methods based on your region. If you want to change your region over here, then tap on this region section, and here you just have to select your region. After selecting it, you just have to tap on the Buy button at the bottom. Then it will redirect you to the payment page, where you just have to simply conclude your payment. This way, you will be able to get the Ton coins in your Tonkeeper wallet. That was all. Subscribe. It's free.